You can see that we have made a ton of progress since we last took video here. We've got the walls for the laundry all framed in now. There's a new door going in just to the left of the camera in the future. Down the hallway, we go to a bathroom, gym. We've got an office over here and a rec room down the hallway. This is the future hallway. It doesn't look like much of a hallway because we have some temporary walls here to support the future beam install, which we'll have a quick look at in a second. Marbles in my mouth much. To my left here will be the washroom, and as I was saying earlier, this will be a gym workout space. All right, so you want to know how to install a beam to replace an existing structural wall. This is how to do it. Step one, temporary wall on both sides of where the beam's going to go. So we've got temporary wall here. We don't have anything here, but that's because we've got a beam there, so it's being supported just to the left of the camera and then behind me as well. Step two is remove what was in the middle. Step three is going to be cutting out the pocket where the beam is going to go. We find that you want to leave at least a quarter, if not 3/8 of an inch of additional space so that the beam slides up easy. Step four, joist hangers on the ends of the joists. Step five, make sure you've got everything point loaded down and everything's hunky-dory. And the final step is remove all the temporary stuff and move on with life. But that's how we do it, and that's how we can open up spaces and change how a home functions. It's pretty cool. Finally, this is the rec room. There'll be a fireplace, cabinets on either side, and an additional space there for people to work, desk, computer, maybe video game. Anyways, it's going to be a phenomenal space once it's done. There's going to be a window over here, door here, window over here. It's going to look totally different next time we do this. Pretty different next week. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a great day. And again, Happy New Year.